It is simple in words, but complex in reality. Love, not just as a feeling, but as a force that shapes how we live, how we relate to others, and even how society functions. One day I came a post in Instagram that really made me think. It asked whether love is destiny or action. The idea was simple, but profound. We choose who we let into our weird little worlds. No one is perfect, and neither is the person we meet. The real question is whether we are perfect for each other. Love, the post said, is about taking a shot, 30% faith and 70% choice to act. That made me realize that love is not something that just happens to us. It is something we actively participate in. This insight became the foundation of my research. I explored how love is not only personal, but also social, cultural, and even political. In political economy, we study how resources, power, and relationships shape societies. Love, as I found, is a kind of non material capital. It is a resource that guides how people interact, cooperate, and organize their communities. Even our Constitution reflects this. The preamble of the 1987 Philippine Constitution mentions love for our country, justice, and peace. This shows that love is not just a personal feeling. It is recognized as a principle that shapes the way citizens relate to the state and to each other. In governance, love manifests in trust, solidarity, and ethical responsibility. A government that values the welfare of its people acts out of care and commitment. Similarly, citizens engage, cooperate, and contribute to society because of a shared sense of responsibility and empathy. In the Philippine context, cultural values such as utang na loob, pakikisama, and kapwa shows how love is embedded in daily social and political life. Love fosters loyalty, encourages cooperation, and strengthens social bonds, even where formal rules or economic incentives might fail. But it also requires choice and responsibility. When neglected, love can allow inequality, injustice, or exploitation to persist. In political economy terms, love is a resource that sustains social cohesion and ethical behavior. It drives collaboration and strengthens institutions, families, communities, and governments. All rely on relational trust, moral obligation, and empathy. Forms of love that are invisible but crucial to social and economic life. In short, love is both personal and structural. It shapes our lives and the systems we inhabit. So, what is love? Love is joy and pain. It is action and choice. It is commitment, sacrifice, and responsibility. It is a quiet but powerful force that holds relationships, communities, and even governance together. Understanding love as part of political economy shows us that caring, empathy, and emotional and moral responsibility are not just virtues. They are essential resources for building a just and cohesive society.